This is our 2019 69 plate VW Golf R. Stunning colour combination with a double black and the Pretoria 19-inch wheels, and it's got a superb specification as well. It's a one owner car from brand new. The chap ordered it from VW directly. I've got the original sales invoice. It's got a 2-year service plan. It's had its first service. The next one is included as well. And then further to that, everything original that came with the car is here. So you've got the 2 keys, you've got the book pack, stamped service book. The chap's also gone and bought a boot liner from VW. That's in place as well. Underneath here, if I can get it up with one hand, there we go. You've got the space saver spare, you've got the Dynaudio sound system with the subwoofer, the locking wheel nut, the toolkit. Everything's in place exactly as it should be and as it is from new. So lovely car. That brings me nicely on to the options. It's got the full Vienna leather interior, which is very desirable, much sought after option with the R-line embossing rather than the Alcantara or velour. So the full leather system, it's got the Dynaudio sound system, as I've just shown you the subwoofer and the Dynaudio speakers, again much sought after. It's got the keyless entry, exit and start. It's got the reverse camera as well. Really good spec. And then it's got of course the 19-inch Pretorias, which are the best wheels, with the black R calipers on them as well. They're all absolutely unmarked. Tyres are excellent, of course, all the original Continental premium tyres. Got the LED headlights, LED tail lights. It's done about 6,500 miles. It's a low mileage car. These cars are superb. They just do everything well, and in black they just look absolutely fantastic. It's a winning combination. Moving on to the passenger compartment. Of course, you've got the leather at the back as well. 3 seats, 3 headrests, pull down armrest here with cup holders, rear air vents, rear lights, parcel shelf there. You've got the carbon effect trim, and then the leather here and the chrome around the door handles. Moving on to the business end. So you've got the ambient lighting in the doors and in the sills, the blue lighting. You've got the power folding heated wing mirrors, electric windows of course, and locking, and then you've got these fantastic R embossed seats. You've got the R steering with a flat bottom and the R logo. I'll just jump in and start it up. There we go. So you've got the full digital dash. You can of course, you can see the lights there doing a little dance. You can of course switch between the displays. So for example, we can go to, you've got the assist systems, there you go, the navigation, and then you can, let's just get back to navigation, sorry, and then you can click on view. You can change what you want displayed there. You can see that I can flick through gear and speed, consumption range, blah blah etc., because it's obviously all digital, the dash. There's just so many different things you can actually mess about with, which is great. But yeah, if you wanted to get on the maps on here, you could show that on there, no problem at all. Let's just click on view, bear with me. No, it's not that one. Navigation, okay. Okay, there you go. So that's that. And then you can also of course go through all the other information. You've got your adaptive cruise control there, your auto lights. This is a very nice intuitive touchscreen system. It's the latest VW system, very nice to use. You got the radio, of course you've got DAB as we're on now, AM, FM, etc. You've got various other sources you can use if you wanted to. So if you go to media there, you can go to source. You've got Bluetooth, SD card, WLAN, etc. Phone, of course, navigations I've just shown you on here or on there. There's loads of different settings within that. Apps, so you've got Apple CarPlay, MirrorLink, Android Auto, great, so if you can actually display your phone on the main screen. And of course your car, you've got things like performance monitor, lap timer, etc. Go to the main menu, you can flick through the shortcut for all those options as well. Heated seats, of course, dual zone climate control, keyless start, parking sensors with reverse camera front and back. There we go. Start stop off, traction control off mode, so you can choose between normal, race, individual and eco. Auto hold assist, handbrake, cup holders, and then your armrest there. And then in the glove box here we've got the book pack and the dash cam. The previous owner had VW fit the dash cam, so it's wide through nice and neatly to the 12 volt socket. But yeah, superb example of a Golf R, one owner car, low mileage, all original. What more could you want? We do of course offer nationwide delivery to your home. It's £1.50 a mile on an open trailer or £2 a mile on an enclosed. We do also offer warranty, but this car is still under VW warranty, and like I said, comes with a service as well. And we do of course offer numerous finance packages. Simply go on our website, kingsbridgeautos.co.uk, click on the car, click on finance, and you can select how many months you want it over, what your deposit is, and click on apply now, and it will send it all through to our lenders, and then we'll get an email to confirm that you've applied for it. But that's pretty much it, folks. That's our 2019 Golf R. Give us a call, drop us an email, text us, any questions. We'll be happy to help either myself or one of our team. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good night.